So this is how you can sign out of Google account on your Android. Let's get started. Before we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss anything important. Anyways, open up the settings app of your Android phone and then go to your accounts and backup. Once you are inside, proceed to the section called Manage Accounts, and there you'll be able to see all of the accounts which you use to sign in on your phone. It might include Facebook, Google, Reddit, even Duolingo if you use that. So basically everything is going to be right here. So just find the Google account which you want to sign out, tap on it, and make sure to click on Remove Account. This will make sure that this account is signed out generally from your entire phone. So no matter if you're using it within Gmail or Google or any other service, it should be signed out permanently unless you sign back in. So that's it. That's how you can do this. Let me know below in the comments if it works for you. Most definitely subscribe for more, and I'm gonna catch you later in the next videos.